Mommy loves me. Daddy loves me. I'm special to them. I'm the only me in the whole world. I'm special in your way, too. I'm a big sister now. I know what book we should read. We should read. What book should we read? You want to read the Bible? You want to read the Bible? Come sit in my lap. It's a big book. It's called the Bible. Yes, that way back. Let's lay back to me. Oh, yeah, let's look. The Beginner's Bible for Toddlers. What do you want to read about? You want to read about Mary? Do you want to read about the creation? What do you want to read about? I know what we should read about. We should read about Brave Queen Esther. And then we'll read about You want to read? Let's read the Bible. Are you scared? Okay. Sit down. Okay, this is page 111. 111.